So the Bakken Museum, as most museums would say, is unique. We are a science museum, we are a history museum, we are a medical device museum. We are mostly, though, a museum that inspires people to feel wonder about the world that they live in. We are a museum that inspires curiosity. We are a museum that helps visitors believe in themselves and their ability to make a difference in the world. The Spark exhibit is all about inspiration and innovation. Inspiration and innovation are the cornerstones of the human experience. This exhibit really helps us understand that we are innovators, capable of innovating, and help folks leave the exhibition feeling that way. The Spark exhibit is the first exhibit gallery after you leave the lobby of the museum. So we're in a 1,500 square foot space that is specifically designed for this exhibition, and also for visitors to feel welcomed immediately after they enter the museum itself. We are a smaller organization and we don't have 1 million visitors a year. We have about 30,000 visitors a year. But that gives us an opportunity to really design our exhibits to engage people for longer periods of time. The exhibit was designed also thinking about innovation and inspiration. For example, the primary color you're going to encounter in the exhibition is dichroic. So it's a color that you're going to see that's different from every angle from which you approach it. So thinking about inspiration and innovation as the core to the design experience, the colors and the feel inside the exhibition are such that you're going to experience a different kind of look as you move around the exhibition. Spark exhibit has experiences in it that are designed specifically to enable groups of people who maybe have different abilities within those groups to have shared experiences. So some of the features that we worked into the exhibit are very obvious. Bilingual labels, for example. Some of the not so obvious things are ADA standards. How can we meet and exceed the ADA standards in the exhibition? But some of them are also ways that we can make the exhibition one that can be social and interactive across groups. So maybe you've got a group that has a variety of ability. If you approach the Bakken spiel in our exhibit, that can be an experience that I can either do on a screen or through a physical drum that I spin. Exhibition is highly interactive, but it's not just full body or manipulative. It's one that invites you to be interactive with your mind as well, and then to leave those thoughts behind so that others can read them and take them as a jumping off point for their questions and their inspiration. When people walk away from the Spark exhibition, I want them to feel capable of being an innovator, that they are innovators, that they've recognized the times in their life that maybe they didn't think is innovative, but how I made that joke was innovative, how I changed dinner last night was innovative. But we also have the power to use those innovations to make the world a better place. And I hope that everyone who leaves the exhibition feels that inside themselves, that they are capable of making the world a better place.